Hello Enagic family, hope you guys are doing well and staying healthy. Today's topic is how to connect metal or plastic diverter to your faucet. Some of our machine models come with plastic diverter and 8 pieces adapter kit and some with metal diverter. Let's go over with the plastic one first. Please unscrew the aerator from your faucet and make sure whether the threads are on inside and or outside of the mouth of the faucet. Let's look at the case if there are fine threads outside. Please unscrew the diverter ring from the diverter. Choose the female gray adapter from a kit, place on the diverter and hold it on to the diverter with the help of diverter ring. Now screw the setup onto the faucet, connect your water supply to the diverter and you are good to use the machine. Now we are going to put the adapter onto the faucet that has threads inside. Please use the setup from before and get the 9D adapter from the kit. Please make sure to have a gasket between 9D male adapter and a female gray adapter. We also need to have a gasket on top of the 9D adapter as well. Please place the whole setup together and screw it onto the faucet. Now let's connect the machine to that diverter. Unscrew the little knob where the water supply line needs to be connected. Put that little knob piece onto the hose and then connect it to the diverter. And please be sure to lock it down. Switch the diverter setting to the iron to run the water through the machine. In case of different thread size faucets, please go through the 8 pieces adapter kit to find the suitable adapter. For metal diverter, it comes with 2 standard size adapters and can be straight connected to the faucet that has threads outside. For the faucet with the threads inside, please choose one of the adapters that came with it to connect it to the faucet. Please make sure to have a gasket in there. Connect the machine water supply hose to the diverter by the help of the little knob and then switch the lever to send the water to the machine.